Hello everyone, you are welcome to today's class. So in this class we continue from where we stopped on modular arithmetics. So today we want to look at multiplication in modular arithmetic. We've discussed addition and subtraction. So we're going to look at multiplication in modular arithmetic in this video. So when we talk about multiplication, generally multiplication means repeated addition. Repeated can be interpreted as what? Repeated addition. What does that mean? If you have 2 multiplied by 3, it means we are multiplying 2 by 3, right? So that means 2 plus 2 plus what? 2. So which means 2 is being repeated how many times? 3 times. So that's repeated addition, and that gives what? 6. And 2 times is also what? 6. I hope this is clear. So the same thing will also be applicable when we are looking at it in what? Modular arithmetic. But before we go into details, we need to understand that what I said when we're doing addition and subtraction will also be applicable here. The same process will be applicable. That is, if you are in a particular mode, right? So you must not get a digit. So you need to simplify. If you multiply at the end of your multiplication, you get an answer that is big, you have to simplify it. And we have done simplification of what? Modular arithmetic in our previous videos. So that will help us a lot in this class. So let's look at these examples before we look at some other things that we have under multiplication. The first question we have here, calculate the following. So we have A. A is 4 multiplied by 7. So you can see we have clock sign there to show it is a mode. So mode 8, right? Mode 8. So the first thing we need to do here, we multiply the two numbers together. That is 4 multiplied by what? 7, which will give us what? 28. Right? So since this gives 28, we need to simplify 28 in mode 8. So that is it. We need to simplify. That means we're going to have 28 divided by 8. So that gives what? 3, which is 24. Remainder is going to remain what? 4. So that means 4, therefore 4 multiplied by 7 is equals to what? 4 mode what? Mode 8. That's the answer. So the answer is 4 mode 8. We've simplified the answer here. Oh, I hope this is clear. Then the second part, B. B is the same thing. So 24 multiplied by 15. 24 multiplied by 15 in mode 5. In mode 5. In mode 5. So the first thing we do is to multiply 24 by 15. So using our calculator, we have 24 multiplied by 15, and that gives 360. So that means going to be 24 multiplied by 15, which is 360. So in mode what? In mode 5. So we need to simplify this further. So that's going to give us 360 divided by what? 5. So divided by 5. So that gives what? 17. 2. Remainder what? 0. So which means therefore we can conclude that 24 multiplied by 15 equal to 0 mode what? Mode 5. I hope this is clear. So that is that. You can see this is just the same thing with addition and subtraction. So the last one is still talking about the same thing, right? So let's erase the side. So it's still talking about the same thing. So which is number 2. So we have find the product of 28 and 76 in modulo 7. So that means 128 multiplied by 76 mode what? Mode 7. So we multiply the same way. So that is 128 multiplied by 76. So and that gives us 128 multiplied by 76. So that gives 9,728. So mode 7. Mode 7. So we need to simplify this. So by having 9,728 divided by what? 7. So divided by 7. So that gives us 1389. So remainder. So remainder here, you just multiply this by 7, then subtract answer from this. So that is 1389 times 7, and that gives 9723. So you subtract this from this now, so that gives us 5. Remainder was 5. So therefore, you say that 128 multiplied by what? 76 equals to 4. 5 mod what? Mod 7. I hope this is clear. So this is multiplication of modular arithmetic. But we're not going to stop here. We want to look at when you have a table. You are given a table to fill. How are you going to do that? So let's have this table. Let's have this table and see how we're going to do it. So an example 3. Example 3. The table below. Shows multiplication in mode shows multiplication in modulo 5. So we have the table here. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It can't go beyond 4, right? So we're going to have multiplication here. We put our clock sign here. Put it in clockwise. So that's going to have this 0, 1, 2, 3, and the last one is 4 here, right? And 4. So you can see there are 5 digits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's modulo 5. So we want to do the multiplication. How we're going to do it? So just like the way we did addition and subtraction. So we're going to be multiplying. So here under this one, there's only for which one is first number, which one is second number. But unlike that of subtraction, you must be able to tell which one is first number, which one is second number. So here 0 times 0 gives 0. Times 0 times everything will give you 0, 0, 0. The same thing will go to this column here. 0, 0, 0, 0. Because times 0 times 0. So let's now pick the rest. So let's look at the rest, how we're going to get the rest. Right? So to get the rest here, so 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 in mode 5. That's correct. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 in mode 5. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is also what? 4. Then 2. 2 times 1, that's 2. 2 times 2, that is 4. 2 times 3, that gives 6. So we have to simplify 6 in mode 5. In mode 5, we have to simplify that. So that is 6 divided by 5, which is 1 remainder what? Remainder 1. So which means the answer is what? 1. So 2 times 4, that is 8. So 8 divided by what? 5, that is 1 remainder what? Remainder 3. So this will be what? 2 times 4, that's 8. So remainder 3, that's 3. Is that clear? So then 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2, 6. That's 1. 3 times 3, that is 9. So that is 1 remainder what? 4. This will be 4. Then 3 times 4, that is 12. Divided by 5, that is 2 remainder 2. This will be 2. You can see. Then 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8, that is remainder 3. 4 times 3, that is 12. 12, that's remainder 2. 4 times 4, 16. Divided by 5, that is 3. Remainder what? Remainder 1. That is 1. As you can see, that it's straightforward, right? So this is very straightforward. As you can see, all right. So that is that on multiplication in modular arithmetic. You can see that it's very straightforward. So in our next video, we're going to look at division. So I don't want to merge the two together because that will take us a lot of time. because there are some other things we need to learn before what we divide. So if you are new to this channel, this will be stop in this video. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on your notification bell. So anytime I release video like this, you'll be able to get the notification and be able to benefit from it. And if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to give us a big thumb up, and don't forget to share it with your loved ones, spread it across the whole world so that everybody can benefit from it. So we meet in our next video. Bye for now.